welcome to GNN News today. My name is Bridget. Wait, did I hear somebody say, I'm tired of this thing. I'm tired of this decision. I cannot do it again. I'm tired. I've been pushing this thing. I've been working on it. It's not working. I want to give up. Habakkuk 2 verse 3. Do you know what he said? He said, the vision is set for an appointed time, but it shall speak. It will not lie. Though it tarries, wait for it. If God can tell you, wait, don't you think that he wants to bless you more than your own imagination in that vision? So wait for it. Trust him to do that which he wants to do for you with that vision that you have. Trust him to do it for you. So you don't need to give up. You don't need to say, I'm tired, I cannot carry on again. I'm tired, I can't do this again. So trust him to do that vision, to bring that vision to what he wants it to be for you. See you in my next video. Please kindly like and share if this video has blessed you. God bless you. And also please follow us. God bless you. See you in our next video.